I hate you. It's exactly what my 12th grade teacher told me. She said, I hate you, Wes. And let me tell you why. Because I wouldn't listen to her, because I was rebellious, and I got sick and tired of sitting in the classroom that was not teaching me what it takes for me to live my dream. Listen, hey, I'm Wesley Virgin. Almost everybody in my life before I made my millions of dollars told me these words. They said, Wesley, you're a loser. I hate you. You'll never do great things. You're a character. You just make too many jokes. You're silly. And they all counted me out. Now, this is for anybody that's watching this video that have experienced something like that. Somebody in their life telling them what's not going to take place. Don't listen to those people. Look at me. It will happen for you. Everything that you want, all your dreams and goals that you're writing down, I promise you, I'm talking from the top of my heart. It will happen for you. I don't care if you're sleeping on an air mattress. I don't care if you're sleeping on the street. I don't care if you're in a small apartment, you're in a hoopty driving type car. I don't care if you're a young kid right now with your parents and you have no clue on what you want to do. It will. And let me give it to you right now for free. There's two things that have to happen. One, all I want you to do today, before you continue to watch videos, watch this one. I want you to get a sheet of paper and I want you to write these words on the top portion of the paper. What do I want? That's what I want you to do today, tonight, whenever you're watching this video. It's the reason why I'm here talking to you. What do I want? And I want you to write it down as if you're writing an essay. I want you to write it down as if you're writing the story for your life. Number two, once you finish that, once you write down clearly what you want, right? Whatever you want, it's about what you want, not what I want, not what mama want, not what daddy want, not what the pastor, the friend, what you want. The second thing I want you to do is click the link below and download the meditation that I want you to use those things together, and you're gonna understand why poor people are poor and how rich people are rich. It's the reason why you're watching this video. One, what do you want? That's all you have to do. Don't think about how to do something. Don't think about what you need to learn. Don't think about skill. Focus! What do you want? Shut the door, turn off the iPhone, turn off the girlfriend, turn off the boyfriend, turn off the husband and wife, and get clear about what you want. Second, below, download right now the meditation that you're gonna use while you're repeating and thinking about what you want. Listen, it will work. You are successful now. You are rich now. And I want these words to continue to embed and to repeat in your mind that you are a millionaire now. Everything that you want always works out in your favor. Everything that you want, everything that you have is within you right now. I love you. And guess what? Do it now. Let's go! Later.